Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 BMW, stock number 17G1182A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and dual point exhaust. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio as well as cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this BMW on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.